वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
Listen to the stories of Ganesha. Open the door to another world where Ganesha is, always was, and will be forever and ever. My Lord! Lord Shiva is in deep meditation most of the time. He hardly has any time for me. Okay, I'll go for my bath. Shiva, look! Our child!
Our child?
Yes! I just created him from the scarf on my body. Isn't he beautiful? Oh, our firstborn. Look, what cute gurgling sounds he's making. We will call him Ganesha, the leader of your followers, your Ganas. Now we should hold a grand feast to celebrate the birth of our firstborn.
Yes, of course. Invite all the gods and goddesses in Swargalok to Mount Kailash. We are holding a grand feast, a feast to remember. Feast to remember.
Hey! Look! Here is Brahma, the creator of the universe, on his vehicle!
And there is Vishnu, the preserver of the universe. He's on Garuda.
Oh, Indra! The commander of Swargalok's army is here. Ah! Wow! Indra on a celestial elephant Iron. What a magnificent pair they made! The great sun god Surya! I am almost blinded by his light.
And behind him is Agni, the fire god.
Vayu, the god of wind is here.
You have an intelligent son, Parvati. No one will ever fool him.
Parvati, take my word. This boy is born to protect his mother. And he will always be an obedient and dutiful son. That Shani, the god of planet Saturn, he has not come to see my beautiful child. Now bless him. My lord, why do you look so unhappy?
Oh no, I'm not unhappy at all, my lady.
Then come, get up and bless my son.
Oh, I'm sure your son is wonderful, Parvati.
How would you know? You haven't even looked at him. Lord Shani, excuse my saying so, but you are a very rude guest. Here you are to celebrate the birth of my son, and you do not even look at him?
But dear Parvati, you know I've been cursed with the evil eye, don't you? I cannot look at Ganesha. I cannot look at him.
Shani, you are insulting me by refusing to look at my son.
But if I look at anyone, I harm that person in some way. I don't want to hurt Ganesha.
Ganesha is the son of a god and a goddess. No one can harm him. Come on, get up and see my son. Are you going to look at my son or not?
All right. If you insist, I shall look at Ganesha.
Oh yes, I do insist.
Do not blame me if anything goes wrong.
It's not Shani's fault, Shiva.
My lord, please do something. Please save our child. Please.
Quickly,
Go and bring the head of a creature sleeping with its head in the north.
but all creatures sleep with their head facing the south, the direction from where the evil forces come.
Just do as I say. There is no time to waste. Hurry.
Fulfill our master's wish.
How will we find a creature sleeping with its head in the north? Yeah, everyone knows. It's an unlucky way of lying down. Oh, Nandi, what shall we do?
But this is Indra's vehicle and his best fighter elephant.
Our master said, any living creature sleeping with its head in the north, remember?
Oh no, we cannot take Airavata's head.
We have no time, and we cannot disobey the orders of our master.
What have you done? The body of a little boy and the head of an elephant?
Yes, Parvati. The boy certainly looks odd, but he's alive.
Oh dear Parvati, why do you cry and sob? Our son will be intelligent and strong, punishing those doing wrong. He will win over mighty demons. He has blessings of the heavens. Oh Parvati, you have no reason to be sad. Your son is alive, be glad. Okay, wipe your tears away and listen to what I have to say. This smiling elephant head shall be adored. He will be the best of gods. Not I, nor Vishnu or Shiva shall have followers as many as Ganesha. People will bow to Ganesha always before bowing to any other god or goddess. With love and devotion he shall be remembered forever and ever. His name shall be heard. Ganesha's sculptures, art and images shall be found world over in towns and villages. Inside every house, above every entrance, his picture shall be placed with reverence. To keep all difficulties away, to him people will bow and pray. For any work or venture to succeed, Ganesha's blessings everyone will need. At the very start his name has to be said, or the consequences will be very bad. He will be majestic and noble, saving those who are in trouble. This God, easy to please, will solve all problems with ease. Wise and clever, cannot be fooled ever. Ganesha, Ganesha, Ganesha. Let's all welcome Ganesha. Let's all welcome Ganesha.
My son! He will be the happiest of all the gods.
Lost my beloved Airavat. He was the best fighter in the world.
Do not worry, Indra. You have not lost Airavat. Go to the lotus pool in Vaikunt, my home in heaven. Bathe Airavat's body in its magical waters. Airavat will be alive once again.
Airavat, my beloved! What a miracle! I got my Airavat back, and Parvati got her son back.
Do you want some?
Some? Some what, Mother?
Some modaks, Ganesha. Ganesha? What are you doing?
Yummy! Yummy! Give me some more modaks, Mother. Give me some more. Please. Please, Mother.
Oh Shiva, save us! Save us, oh Shiva! Oh no. What happened to you? That mighty demon Gajamukha is making all of us do 1008 squats every morning, afternoon and evening. No god can escape him. Are you talking of my devotee Gajamukha? My harmless noble Gajamukha?
Yes. Your harmless devotee has attacked heaven. And now all the gods are in his power, except Vishnu and Brahma. Please save us. Please save us.
I have been doing sit-ups. That too holding my ears with crossed hands. My legs hurt. My hands hurt. My back hurts. My ears hurt. My entire body hurts.
Oh Shiva, Gajamukha has become a bully.
Oh, yes. After you granted him the boon that no man or beast can kill him, or no weapon can harm him.
But he prayed so hard to please me. For so many years, standing on one leg in the jungle without eating or drinking.
Oh Lord, you have always been very bhola, very innocent, so easily deceived.
Please free us from this demon who thinks he is very powerful.
And strong.
And great. Why, he has said that he is powerful enough to rule over the three worlds, earth, heaven and hell. Everyone worship only me, Gajamukh. That's what he is telling everyone. He is full of foolish pride. I know how to deal with this egoistic fellow. Ganesha, go and teach Gajamukha a lesson he will never forget.
Don't you know that no human, god, demon or animal can kill me?
But Gagamukha, don't you know I'm half animal and half god? I'm here to teach you a lesson you'll never forget! You're my bad, but your foolish pride, that is creating problems for you. I know what to do to you. I would have jumped on you harder! People shall worship you too when they worship me. Come, take me home to Mount Kailash, my dear friend. By the way, Mushak, thanks to you, now I have only one task. So, now you will be called Ekadanta, the one-toothed god. Aren't you sorry about your behavior? I said sorry many times over, didn't I? Say you're sorry again. Oh God, Ganesha! You used to make the gods do 1008 sit-ups twice a day, huh? Ganesha, do we have to go over it again? Yes! And I have decided to bless all those who do 1008 sit-ups a day. conquest over a demon called Gajamukha.
Oh God, Ganesha, you really like to tease me, don't you?
Please, me? Never.
Ganesha?
What?
You know what? I have not heard Greena the frog sing a prayer. He used to do for many days now.
Oh, that.
I know.
Why? Why has she stopped? It was enjoyable the way she used to croak yesterday.
Oh, as usual, her husband Croaky fought with her for taking my name all the time.
So she has finally stopped taking your name?
Yes, but that's because Croaky has forbidden Greena from taking my name.
But didn't Greena explain that it is Lord Ganesha who keeps the troubles out and happiness in?
Well, to end the fight, Greena has decided not to take my name nor say my prayer.
What are you going to do about it?
Why should I do anything?
Oh, come on, Ganesha. If I know you...
Help! Someone help!
Help! Help! No, Croaky! They sound like they're in trouble! Big trouble!
Come, let's go!
Where?
To Croaky and Greena!
Greena, for so many years, we have come to the edge of this pond. Pot is too deep for us to jump out.
Croaky! Croaky! Get us out of here!
What can I do? Pray to Ganesha. Ask him to help us out of this trouble. Chant Ganesha's name.
But, Croaky dear, you asked me not to chant his name.
Dear, chant his name, please, before we get wild.
But you have fought with me so often for chanting his name. And
Today, I beg of you to chant his name, please.
I will sing it today. The prayer that Ganesha loves to hear.
Today, I beg of you to chant his name, please.
Namaste Ganapate Tvameva pratyaksham tattvamasi Tvameva kevalam tattasi Tvameva kevalam
is no devotee of yours. Whoever takes my name even once becomes my devotee, okay? And I shall help both Croaky and Greena.
Oh, the great forgiving God Ganesha.
Never will I stop you from taking Ganesha's name. There is power in his name. Jai Ganesha.
Jai Ganesha!
Jai Ganesha.
Well, I'm uneasy to please God, Mushak. All this action has made me feel hot. Let's take a dip in the cool waters of Kailash, Mushak. Mushak, join in. The water's so cool.
No, not me.
Come on, Mushak. Mushak. Listen. The ruling god of planet Mars, Mangal, is inviting you to have fun and frolic.
Huh?
Hey, that's me, Mangal Murthy. That's why Mangal Tuesday is my day. Devotees line up for my darshan on Mangalvars. You know that, don't you?
Oh, great, Mangal Murthy. Please step out of the water. A devotee begs of you.
Mushak, look at my skin. What color is it?
Skin color.
Look, my skin is red like the red planet Mars.
Red? Your skin is not red.
It is. That's my true color. See? It is red just now. Come closer, Mushak. A little more. Up to now?
Swinging his sword in the air. Whoosh! 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 Wow!
Oh!
Well, I heard that he is going to be appointed as the commander of the army of gods. And he does move fast, like lightning. You get offended very easily, don't you?
All this exercise has made me very hungry.
Which exercise? Hey Ganesha, eat a modak. That should cheer you up.
Got you.
Yummy. Modaks, I'm just in time.
Dear Kartikeya, these are for you. And Ganesha, these are for you.
Mother, I want that one.
It's mine.
No, I asked for it first.
I'm older to you, so I have the first right.
I am younger. I have the first right.
Modaks are my favorite.
So what? I will eat this modak.
Try it. Stop it now.
What's happening here?
Father, Kartikeya is fighting again.
Calm down.
Why don't the two of you just share the modak? With him? No way.
With him? Never.
Since you two don't want to share the modak, let's have a competition. The winner shall get the modak.
That's better than sharing with Ganesha.
Same here. Why don't the two of you race around the world.
The first to return gets the modak.
I have no problem, but Ganesha should agree. Ganesha?
Mother, how about 3 times around the world?
Thrice? All around the world?
You heard me.
And with you on my back?
Of course.
Mother, I'm ready. Flag off the race. Come on. It will be tough catching up with that peacock.
Oh, stop trembling, will you?
We are not taking part in the race, are we?
Of course we are.
Hey Ganesha, where are you going?
Shh.
When will you start, son?
Start? I have finished, Father. I have gone around the world 3 times already.
Father? Mother? By going around the 2 of you, I have gone around the world not once or twice, but 3 times.
Parvati, Ganesha is right.
Listen, Father. Worshipping our parents is like worshipping the whole world. Our sacred books also say so.
Ganesha, you are very clever. All because of the books you read. Take this modak. It is yours.
First! I am first! Ganesha? But I started before him. How did he reach before me?
Kartikeya, to win, you don't only need strength and speed, you also need
parents' blessings and knowledge, which comes only from books.